live and we are going to be doing an opaque stain with a roller. Yesterday we did one by hand, wiping it on. Here's the end result. It's all nice and dried. We'll probably do a coat of Odie's on this in the next video. And here's the translucent of the same color of the one that we did yesterday. That was Buffalo Brown. Today we're going to do Chocolate Lab. So I already have my stain pre-mixed up. This is 1 part Mr. Cornwall Super Duper Everlasting Oil, 2 parts of Odie's Safer Solvent, and 2 parts of the Chocolate Lab. Let's give it a final little stir here. And instead of dirtying up a tray, I'm just going to pour it on this little piece of cardboard and roll my roller into it and go ahead and do this nice opaque stain on this piece of white oak. This is sanded to 180. So this is going to be perfect for your gates and fences and decks, shutters, exterior doors. Going to add that ultimate UV protection and give a nice beautiful color. So we're just going to pour some of that right out on here and get our roller saturated with the stain. And simply roll it on. Give it a quick little back roll, even everything out on the surface. And that's it. Easy as that. Let that dry. And that's how easy it is to do an opaque stain with a roller. So you can do this on flooring, decks, fences, gates, shutters, all kinds of things. Beautiful opaque stain done in seconds. That's it. That's the video. I think I'll be making this a post on our feed. If you have any questions or comments or want to engage in any way, you can head over to the post. And we'll see you over there. A garden gnome. Yes, they call me the garden gnome. Matthew Hurdle, head of technical support for Odie's Oil. Thanks for joining, everybody. Just wanted to do a quick little live and show this beautiful opaque stain done with a roller, Chocolate Lab, white oak, just like that. We'll see you out here on the next one, folks.